Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the previous video, we talked about how to install and how to attach the data in R. In this video, we are going to talk about how to run simple regression in R. I have a data which is panel data, and I'm going to use this panel data to run a regression, right? So first of all, you can directly run the command here, or you can use the R script. I will use the R script, which is much more convenient, as you can save the commands for later in future use. So I'm going to use the R script. So first of all, I'm going to attach my data from Excel. Go to browse and just locate your data where it is in your computer, and after that you just choose the data where it is and just click the import, and your data is all here, right? So I'm going to attach the data. First of all, attach, right, data, attach data. So to run the command, you in R script, to run the command you can directly press control enter, or you can just click here to run the command. So I'm going to press control enter. It said the object attached not found, so it means there is some error. Let me try again. Attach data, yeah, here. So it's attached, right? So if you want to see the summary of your data, for example, I'm going to see the summary of my data, right? Press control enter. Here is a summary of my all variables in my data year from 2013 to 2021, income, BPC, CPC, VFSN, etc. Now we are going to run a simple regression. To run simple regression, it is very simple. We are going to run a formula, a command which is simple regression is equal to lm bracket open. My first variable, first of all, I'm going to run for only two variables, income and BPC, right? Let's see how does it work. Income BPC space data is equal to my file name data, right? Data. I will press control enter, and this regression is here, right? If you want to see the summary bracket open, simple regression, there is an error in function class FDF table, unable to find any method of the function summary for signature LM. Okay, let me try a simple regression, right? Summary simple regression. The same error. Why it's that? Let me fix it. I got it, because there was an error. So first of all, we are going to run this command, simple regression. It's run now. You can run this command, summary simple regression, here, right? So here is my first variable, and the intercept and the BPC, right? It's significant. So if how to run the regression and also for every variable in my data, right? For that, like I already attached the data, right? So if, for example, if I'm going to clear the command here, right, I'm going to start from 0. I will go for don't save, right? It's my data is here. I clear, right? In my new terminal, I'm going to try all my variables included in data. So first of all, I'm going to attach my data, attach data, right? Attach data, attach data. My data is attached here. If you want to see the summary data, here my summary of all data. And now I'm going to run the regression for all of variables, right? So first of all, I'm going to apply the same command, simple regression is equal to lm bracket open. My first variable was income, and the second variable is bpc, right? bpc. After that, space plus, second variable is cpc plus, and third variable is bfs plus, fourth variable is cfs plus, right? lu plus, and wy plus, and rt, and after that comma, data is equal to data. So I wrote the complete command here, simple regression lm, which is a command for income first variable. For that, this is a dependent variable. We're going to run the regression for intercept, right? bpc, second, third, fourth, all variables, and after that data is equal to, from here we have to look the data. So I'm going to press Control Enter. It's all here, right? So if you want to see the summary simple regression here, right? Control Enter. Oh, error in summary simple regression, could not find the function summary. Oh, sorry, it's this one spell is here, right? So now I'm going to run again because there was an error. So I'm going to run the command, third command again here, and then fourth command here, right? It's all the summary of my all variables. Okay, if you see, right, maybe somehow in, maybe if you feel, if you see that your results are not in absolute form, your results of variables are not in absolute form, so you are going to run a command for options bracket open sci pen is equal to 999 and Control Enter, right? So it means if your results was not in absolute form, it's in exponential form, so you are going to first run this command, and after that you are going to run third command again, Control Enter, and then you are going to run the summary again. So it will be in absolute form. All right, and this time it's all. Bye for now. If you have any question, please let me know, and do not subscribe the channel for the coming video, in which we are going to talk about fixed effect and the random model. All right, thank you so much. Bye bye.